Hey, my name is Paul Borosky, and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is share with y'all some updates that I've made to my bakery business plan template using artificial intelligence for 2024. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, I'll share with y'all some of the updates that I made to the bakery business plan template. All right, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. First update that I made to the bakery business plan template is I made a space for your business logo on the title page of the document. So if and when you do purchase the bakery business plan template, you now have an area that you can quickly and easily insert your logo. Now keep in mind you can use this generic logo if you want, or again you can go ahead and have one professionally made and just again, like I said, you can just go ahead and quickly and easily insert it right here on the title page. So I've made the title page a little bit, I'm allowing y'all to customize it a little bit easier as compared to earlier versions of my bakery business plan. The second update that I made was to the description of the product description section. So previously, I would just put, for your bakery items for sale for your product description, I put, item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, and just allow y'all to go ahead and list some of the items that you're going to be selling at your bakery. For this version, what I've done is I used artificial intelligence and I had it come up with a nice little paragraph that we are able to now quickly insert your products into a nice well-written paragraph. So you can go ahead for this right here, you can replace traditional bread, you can kick that out, and innovative cookies and cakes. You can kick those items out or keep them if you're going to be selling them, and then put your items in there. So now it's more customized, but the flow and the readability has improved thanks to some artificial intelligence. The final update I made is to industry research. As we all know, having updated industry research in your business plan is a critical component of it. And so what I've done is I went to my IBIS World account, retrieved the Bakery Cafe's industry research, summarized it succinctly, and I went ahead and updated the business plan template for 2024 with various statistics, for example, the revenues, the profits, profit margins, and so on. So all that information is now up to date for 2024. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. Let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.